social distancing.
Jackie, can't you see we're socially distancing?
This is not your house.
If you're planning to visit a restaurant, barbershop, theater, or any other place where you may sit down, wash your ass for 20 seconds, both before your arrival and after your departure. Have a substantial stockpile of Preparation H on hand, in case you decide to follow the ill-gotten idea of washing your ass with Clorox. In the 40s, Anne Frank wrote, "I live in a crazy time." Einstein asked, "Am I or are the others crazy?" Perhaps Rodney Dangerfield summed it up best when he wrote, "My psychiatrist said I'm crazy. I said I want a second opinion. He said, okay, you're ugly too."